How to fix YouTube login error. Welcome back to a new guide video everyone. If you're facing issues logging into your YouTube account, in today's video let me show you how to fix it. The first thing that you can do is if you're using a mobile phone and using the app of YouTube, you can just tap and hold the app and then head over to app info and then tap on the clear data option and then tap on clear all data. If this step does not work for you, or if this method does not work for you, the second thing that you can do is try to look for any new updates available for the YouTube app. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for YouTube and make sure that the app is updated. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing the issue. Now apart from this, what you can also try out is try to remove and add the Google account onto your phone. So quickly head over to the settings on your phone, scroll down and find the section of accounts, and inside of accounts make sure you head over to Google. Inside of Google you'll see all of the accounts that you have currently logged in. Make sure that you tap on the more option and try removing a particular account and then try logging in back. By doing these couple of steps, you should be now able to log in or use your YouTube account without having any issues. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let me know. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.